Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart an Audi Q5. First, gather your essential tools: a set of reliable jumper cables, a vehicle with a fully charged battery, and safety glasses for protection. Always ensure both cars are completely turned off before you begin. Position the working vehicle close to your Audi Q5, making sure the cables can comfortably reach both batteries or jump points. Now, let's connect the cables. Find the positive jump terminal under your Audi Q5's hood. It's typically marked with a plus sign and covered in red. Connect one red clamp to this terminal, then attach the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working car's battery. Next, connect one black clamp to the negative terminal of the working car's battery. Finally, attach the last black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of your Audi's engine block or chassis. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start the process. Begin by starting the engine of the working vehicle. Let it run for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This allows a sufficient charge to transfer to your Audi's depleted battery. After this brief charging period, you can then attempt to start your Audi Q5. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another minute or two before trying again. Once your Audi Q5 has successfully started, turn off both vehicles. Disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. First, remove the black clamp from your Audi's ground point, then the black clamp from the donor car. Next, remove the red clamp from the donor car's positive terminal, and finally, the red clamp from your Audi's positive terminal. Drive your Audi for at least 30 minutes to ensure the battery recharges properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.